Hello, I'm going to go over how to get around using esign to get your forms signed when you're getting them off formssimplicity by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. And best of all, you're able to avoid all the printing and scanning. Formssimplicity, whenever you come up to the seller's property disclosure, the blank form, you're going to be met with this nice big red lettering here, which is saying that it must be filled out by the seller. It cannot be completed by an agent, broker in formssimplicity. But you can have it filled out electronically by the seller if you have an esign session, and there is a template for it already. So if you don't have esign, go ahead and you want to come here right away, hit double click it. It's going to go to your printer setup. Immediately go here to destination and make sure you change that to save as a PDF and hit save. It's going to load and prepare the form, and you'll be able to easily just go ahead and select all of these right here, all the way down. You're going to come all the way down this document. Make sure you get the initials, every single one of these little things. You will have to highlight them. I know that sounds like a little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's really not so bad. Go ahead and here, print date, and there you go. And you want to go ahead and get that sent off. This is what the seller will see when they come to open their email. They'll sit here and they'll click on review and sign. Then it's going to go ahead and pull the document up. They're going to have to just down here click on continue. Just they won't have to download anything. If you left a message, there'll be a message right there. They can read it right here. It's just going to require them to type in everywhere that you said they needed to sign. Right here up at the top, it says there's 7 signature fields. Of course, there's going to be a lot more than that, and they will have to address every single one of them before it'll let this document be complete. I only sent a couple because otherwise it takes way too long. But I did want you to see what they're going to see. So this is how they will type their name, because they might call and ask you. You never know. And right here, and the date. We'll go to crazy. And look, they are now finished. Oh, they got those couple more. 2 more. That's 1 more field. And we're going to click here to sign, see where it says so. And it says you're all set and you're finished. And you have successfully gotten your seller to sign their disclosure statement without having to print or scan a thing.